Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, a great place to be today, and we're going to check out the Excalibur Hotel and Casino. For those of you who don't know, Excalibur is named for the mythical sword of King Arthur. The hotel and casino uses a medieval theme in several ways. Its facade is a stylized image of a castle. Until 2007, a wizard-like feature representing Merlin looked out from a high turret here, but since then has been replaced by a figure advertising Dick's Last Resort, a restaurant inside. Excalibur is situated at the Tropicana Las Vegas Boulevard intersection. The hotel is linked by overhead pedestrian bridges to neighboring casinos to the north, which would be New York, New York, across Tropicana Avenue, and to the east, which would be the Tropicana Hotel and Casino across the Strip. A free tram connects Excalibur to its sister MGM Resort International properties to the south, which would be the Luxor and the Mandalay Bay. The land on which the Excalibur sits was originally the proposed site for the Xanadu Resort envisioned in 1975. The 1,730-room Asian tropical-themed resort would have been the first mega resort in Las Vegas. The project was never built when developers could not secure a deal with the county on the sewer infrastructure such a large project would have required. So here we are, MGM Resort's Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Let's check this joint out. We're entering the hotel lobby. Here's a view of the reception area or the front desk from the lobby bar, which is right off the casino.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Coming up here on the left is Dick's Last Resort. It's a daringly different restaurant, famous for deliciously messy cuisine, oddly entertaining decor, rowdy and unpredictable service, live bands, and a let-loose atmosphere. Dick's Last Resort offers a casual, down-to-earth entertainment option for visitors of the entertainment capital of the world. Circus Enterprises constructed the Excalibur, which opened on June 19, 1990 as the largest hotel in the world with more than 4,000 rooms covering over 70 acres. Till this day, it's still in the top 20 of the largest hotels in the world. Excalibur was designed in line with the theme resort strategy popular among some casino operators during the 1990s, which included the traditional Las Vegas gaming experience coupled with family-oriented elements. Hey, let's check out what's upstairs. Hold on tight.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Buca de Beppo offers fresh, authentic Italian food. They also have them in Atlantic City as well. No, it's not Christmas time. They use these lights at Buca de Beppo all year round in the inside of the restaurant. Characterized by family-style portions with high-quality traditional Italian dishes, Buca de Beppo is sure to bring out your inner Italian. The Excalibur is also home to the world-famous Thunder Down Under male review show from Australia. This is the Thunder from Down Under Lounge, a great place for a drink before the show. Once it opens, that is. Besides Dick's Last Resort and Buca de Beppo, some other restaurants here at the Excalibur include Johnny Rockets, Drenched Bar and Grill, Vagabond, The Buffet at Excalibur, Camelot Steakhouse, and Castle Coffee. There's also a food court which we're going to explore in a couple moments. I would imagine as restrictions are slowly lifted in this town, a lot of these buffets will be opening shortly up and down the strip. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Some of the shops here at the Excalibur include 24/7, Below the Knee, City Life, Cosmic Groove, Cybeware, Dragon's Lair, Essentials, Kids Cottage, Lids, Magnet Max, Marcel Rousseau, The Pearl Factory, Soap Store, Tattoo Corner, and The Market. And of course the ever popular Welcome to Las Vegas gift shop. Here's the Excalibur Food Court, one of the best on the strip if you ask me. Some of the restaurants include Auntie Anne's Pretzels, Big Chill, Breakfast and Burgers, Cinnabon, Einstein Brothers Bagels, Hot Dog on a Stick, Krispy Kreme, Pick Up Sticks, Pizza Hut Express, Popcornopolis, Popeye's Chicken, Schlotzsky's, Starbucks, and a couple more. I did a video of the best food courts on the Las Vegas Strip. Did this one win? You'll have to check that video out. It's in the link below in the description. We mentioned the Thunder from Down Under. Some of the other entertainment available here at the Excalibur include the Australian Bee Gees show, which has reopened, the Ultimate 4D Experience, Fun Dungeon, and of course the Tournament of Kings, which I believe is still closed, but hopefully will be reopening soon. This is Magnet Max. They feature magnetic and novelty souvenirs, and they're located up and down the Las Vegas Strip. No visit to the Excalibur should be complete without going below the casino and checking out the arcade. It's one of the best in Las Vegas. Unfortunately, it was closed when I visited, but there's another video on this channel that has the complete arcade tour, so check it out. So what'd you think of the Excalibur? Have you visited? Leave a comment below. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You can do it again. We'll do it again.
One time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
It's been a while since we saw Betty and Wilma, and I'm hoping to meet some new showgirls as I visit the strip in a couple weeks.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.